Malicious software, or malware, is any software created and distributed to cause harm or steal information. Malware is designed to hide within the operating system and avoid security safeguards. It may be impossible for you to detect or remove without specialized tools or expertise. Malware exists for all of the information processing systems that may be in use in your business, including desktop computers, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The most common type of malware is the virus. A virus is software that can copy itself from one system to another, infecting each computer along the way. Once a virus has infected a business system, it can delete or corrupt your files, steal data, or sometimes even damage hardware. Viruses can originate as email attachments, website downloads, or infected USBs shared between users. Many other types of malware exist, but all share the same objective: to capture and steal sensitive information, such as usernames and passwords, and transmit this information back to its originator without the knowledge of the system user. Use anti-malware software to scan all incoming files and block anything suspicious. While dealing with malware can be challenging, you can counter a lot of these threats with anti-malware software that scans incoming files and blocks files if they are suspicious or confirmed to include malware. The same software will scan for infections that may already exist, warn users, and provide cleanup options. Some malware cannot be removed without the help of a security expert. Prevention is always best. Install your malware safeguards before you get infected. Most anti-malware software today covers all the types of malware described in this section, but some are still referred to as antivirus software. Before buying or using anti-malware tools, check what types of malware it addresses and find out how often the software is updated. The more frequent the updates, the better, as new malware appears daily, and sometimes even hourly. Your business also needs a firewall to help block connection to malicious websites and to stop some forms of malware before they are downloaded or brought in with emails. Implementing anti-malware software and a firewall is a great first step towards strengthening your business's cybersecurity. Good employee habits are also essential. All employees need to be provided with security awareness training and policies that explain their responsibilities. For example, they should be warned that they are not allowed to tamper with or disable security safeguards, including anti-malware software. Here are some things you should tell your employees to look out for. Warnings on websites or emails that have been flagged as potentially dangerous. Report to a supervisor or technical support person any alerts from the anti-malware software in their work computer, including alerts that indicate that the software is out of date or has identified a suspicious file. Never forward suspicious emails or files to others in your business.